The Panasonic LUMIX S5 is a fantastic full-frame mirrorless camera that offers a great combination of features, quality, and value. The image quality is excellent, with sharp and detailed photos even in low-light situations. The 24.2 megapixel sensor and dual native ISO technology ensure that your photos look great in any lighting conditions. The autofocus system is also fast and accurate, making it easy to capture action shots. The camera body is well built and comfortable to hold, with a weather-sealed design that allows you to use it in a variety of environments. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it easy to access all the camera's features and settings. The camera also has a variety of shooting modes and creative filters, allowing you to easily capture professional-looking photos and videos. The camera also has 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake and produce sharp images. Additionally, the camera's high-resolution electronic viewfinder and rear LCD screen make it easy to compose shots and review your photos. The camera also has good video capabilities, supporting 4K 60p video recording and has Vlog-L pre-installed, which is great for color grading. Overall, I highly recommend the Panasonic LUMIX S5 for both amateur and professional photographers. It's a versatile camera that can handle a wide variety of shooting situations, and it's also a great value for the price. It's a great option for those who want to upgrade from a crop sensor mirrorless camera or DSLR and want to experience the benefits of full-frame photography.